Yellow, yellow, and yellow. Today I'm hunting down for Hanoi hidden yellow bite. The crunchy, the creamy, and the iconic. 6 different stops but the same color. Let's try the Hanoi golden side. I just right in here. It's bánh tôm cô in front of the entrance of the famous Dong Xuân market in the old quarter. And this shop has been here for decades. They serve you crispy shrimp fritter. That's many local people and some travelers like here for that. Even though the shop is tiny, only few square meters, just 2 frying pans and handful of plastic spoons, this place gets busy. The owner says that they can sell hundreds, sometimes over 1,000 fritters a day. That's how popular is it. The butter in here isn't just plain flour. They mix it with seasoned sweet potatoes that gives you the crisp and subtle sweetness and the lighter texture. I'm ordering 4 pieces and the price here is very reasonable. It's affordable with all of the budget of the traveler. It's a quick buy if you're wondering what's in the old quarter. Wow! The crunch is immediate. The shell is super crispy and the shrimp is soft and slightly sweet. And the butter, sweet potatoes bring the subtle warmth, dipping in the tangy, slightly sweet sauce with a bit of pickle, carrot and papaya. It's balanced the mayonnaise perfectly. If you visit Dong Xuân Market, come here, grab a couple of fritters, eat hot, standing on a small stone. That's real Hanoi street food. Okay, so the hot fritter is just the first stop. We are hunting for more yellow colored for Hanoi hidden gem of the food today. So let's see what next. Now we are standing in front of Hien restaurant as they're very famous for sizzling pancake, bánh xèo. Alright, so the pancake in here is very thin, and outside this one is fried in right on 2 minutes, so that's why it's very crispy, but it's not greasy. In the middle, the framing is with shrimp and pork. Sometimes it can be chicken, beef, seafood, or whatever you want. Some kind of herb and veggie, rice paper, and some people, local people, they told me that this one is one of the best bánh xèo in town.
Chào anh, em là con gái miền Tây mới lên thành phố.
Now I will show you how to eat this one like a local. You will take the small rice paper in here. Take a more in the middle. Okay. And then add some kind of veggie. Only the leaf. Okay, the purple one. And some kind of letter. Okay, roll it up. Okay. Dipping in the fish sauce in here. Take a small bite so you will get the crunch, the warm feeling, and then the fresh herb. The contrast is important. The shell is crisp, but it's not greasy, and the shrimp inside is very tender. The pork adds some savory note, and the special is the sweet and sour sauce. It's cut through all of the oily of this one. And now I'm here at Hung Minh, number 5 on Hang Mam Street, the heart of the old quarter. And here is very famous for the salted egg sponge cake, the Vietnamese local favorite. Oh my god! What of the jelly bean? Oh my goodness! You can see the sponge cake is very soft and light. On top they have the salted egg, and they also have the pork floss and cheese sauce. It depends on your choice. Okay, and now we're at Bánh coffee shop to try this kind of cake, and then with one of the most famous dedicated coffee in Hanoi, egg coffee, 2 yellow dishes in 1 frame. And make sure that one will be the perfect combo. Let's go. I'm ordering the small size. It's perfect for 1 people or to share as a snack. And this one is also affordable, very suitable for the food hand day. Look at this, the golden egg on top, pork floss and cheese. And the sponge cake looks very soft and moist. I will take the bite now. The cake is soft and airy. The salted eggs with cheese sauce on top one is bring you the savory note and rich. So this one is the perfect combination between creaminess, saltiness and also sweetness. If you're wandering Hanoi and you're looking for some sweetness but different, light and soft, try this cake, the salted egg sponge cake. This one is a kind of the modern street food in here. And then egg coffee, the original born out of necessity, now became an iconic taste. Back in 1940s, when the milk was scarce, the bartender replaced milk with whipped egg yolk. That's how egg coffee was born. Since then, it became the signature Hanoi beverage. It's thick, creamy egg cream on top of strong coffee, rich, slightly sweet, with that deep coffee bitterness underneath. The contrast of this one is what makes the egg coffee become an iconic, smooth, firm, bold, real, bold, and comforting. A sip like this is more than a drink. It's a part of Hanoi soul. In a city where every street corner offers surprise, this egg coffee tastes like tradition, warmth, and little history. Cheers to old flavor and new memory. Alright, so we are here for a small street snack stall in Hien Street. Actually, I've been here before for banana fritter, but today I want to show you another one. It's also very famous. It's sweet potato fritter. This shop sits right in the heart of Hanoi Old Town, address number 1 Hien Street. The kind of local stall when you don't expect that's a fancy dining room. Choose the street heat, hot oil, and honest snack. In my hand right now is the sweet potato fritter, and the butter outside is look golden. And this side is really suitable for the street snack. Let's take a bite. The crust is crunch, a little bit oily, but the sweet potato inside stays soft and warm and also sweet as well. If you wandering around Hanoi Old Quarter and looking for something cheap, hot and sweet buy. This is kind of sports food, check it out. No pretense, just honest food. Our next yellow shit is right here. Tạ Hien Street, one of the most famous, bustling and also very busy and noisy at night. The light, the people, the music. This one is also very suitable for the real experience Hanoi street food at night. Very unique experience, right? So today we will try the yellow color theme food. We will have this one, the sweet potato crispy, and this one is boiled peanut and beer. Okay, so first up, this one is sweet potato fritter. It's golden and outside is very crispy, but inside it stays soft, warm, and also slightly sweet. It's perfect vibe for night. Okay, so with the beer culture, Vietnamese people, we always have this one as a snack, eat together when you drink beer, because you need to take time to peel off the skin and then we can enjoy your beer. Okay, and cold beer to refreshing everything. The perfect combination between something sweet, crunchy and cold beer. It's like the real experience to have the street food in Hanoi at night. And that's the wrap of a golden food adventure in Hanoi. From the crispy sweet potato to the creamy iced coffee, savory snack. We've tried all of the best food of the Hanoi Yellow Delight. And thanks for joining me. See you in next video for more Hanoi street food hidden gems.